Remember folks at home, I'm not a professional. Today, I'm gonna tackle these lower door panels right here. I have them just temporarily screwed up. So what I'm gonna do is get inside, shut the door, make sure that it does not hit this weather stripping and that it fits, it's perfectly fitting. That way when I wrap it, it's all gonna be good. So I've got a pretty good gap on this side. Now I am gonna trim it. You can see where I've already marked down here. I'm gonna trim it a little bit and then I'm gonna trim right here as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and mark all that and then take this panel off. I'm gonna do the other side as well. Start trimming it up, make it fit. Spending this little extra time making sure this fits properly is going to pay out in the long run, because if it's touching, you're gonna get marks on your upholstery. So spend the time and do it right. Works out, it's pretty good. Now we gotta do the other side. So the next step we've gotta do is we gotta figure out how we're gonna attach that, and I've already figured that out. I'm gonna use these clips that you see right here. Little push-in clips, and these are flat. I hope they're long enough, I'm not sure, we're gonna test it. But what I'm doing is I want it to fit tight onto this panel. So I'm gonna drill the hole smaller in the panel, and then I'll have a little bit bigger hole, probably the next size up drill bit, in the door. So we're gonna drill this, test fit it, see how it works. Oh yeah, that was barely on there. I gotta sand that on the back side. I don't know. Probably not long enough. Yeah, that's a lot better. A little bit thicker. It's gonna work. We're gonna go for it, because that's a lot better. Look at the difference. This is not gonna have enough bite into the door panel, especially when I start adding the material, the foam headliner material and the pattern. It's not gonna work. So I'm gonna have to use this one. Go to your home. There you go. All right, so now the next step in this process is grabbing our material. What we're using is a headliner material that I got from Hobby Lobby. Laying it out, gonna cut out our pieces and get ready to glue it. So let's do that now. So now I've got all my pieces laid out, ready to go. I've got this Wellwood contact adhesive. This is what I got. I ordered this, a gallon. Next time if you ever order this, order it with a little spout. It makes it a lot easier, because I spilt this crap already. And it's expensive. It's like $80 for a gallon. But I went to Harbor Freight, got me this, I believe this is a low pressure spray gun. Put it in here and it sprays great. I wish I had a better pressure regulator on here, because this is very finicky. But we're just gonna spray the material onto the headliner material. We're gonna spray the glue onto the headliner material and the board. So let's do that now. All right, so you don't want to immediately apply the two. You're going to let it tack up just a little bit, and then it's going to it's contact adhesive. So when you touch them together, it's going to stick. All right, we're probably pretty good. what's on there. We're gonna start applying the glue to the backside. You wanna get glue on your headliner material and then some right here on your board. So let's try to do that. Woo, I got a little much right there. Be okay. We'll start folding it over and come back and cut later. By the time that we get there, it's gonna be dry. Remember, folks at home, I'm not a professional. There you go. And you're done with your first step. So now the next step is putting on this cow pattern. That's what we're gonna go with. We're gonna lay it out. Again, same process, is cutting it, making sure it's gonna fit, and let's try it. Look at that. So that way, that corner is perfect. Ta-da! Perfecto! One thing I am gonna do, because I have extra material, because I wanna wrap it over the headliner material, and I want it to be on the board, I'm gonna just cut some holes out, or cut some slots out, to where the pins are, the push pins are. All right, I just realized something. I should have went ahead and attached, because this isn't glued. I have to make sure that I've got to get this on here perfect. Oh man, why did I do that? Should have glued it first and then made my cuts. That way it stays in place. But let's do this. Sweet. I didn't screw up. It's drying pretty quickly. We're gonna go ahead and start. It helps if you stick your tongue out and concentrate. It's on there. Go ahead and just start spraying, because you gotta get the glue on there. All right, here we go. No. This is gonna lay out. So cut off a lot of this excess. Please look good. Shee. Look at that, man. I'm pretty happy with that. Dude, that's gonna look so good in that truck. Dude, come on, let's look. It's gonna look wild.